What the? I got it going. Is it working? Alright.
Hey, shut up.
Oh, so it's going.
Oh, okay, good.
Oh, how cute.
The wallet? He wants to, get in. He wants to get in, that's why. He's funny.
Come on.
No!
What?
Don't, please. Stop! You're an asshole now. She's me. Really? I'm not. It's an 8-big game.
Hey, bitch.
I think she wants it.
Oh!
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Get it in there. Oh,
Hey, you got butt side. You know she loves it.
Hello, my name is Trent Terry, and I have once again turned into a puppet. Hi Jordan, how's it going, mate?
Good.
Hey, come on, do buddy old boy with the puppet. Buddy old boy, buddy old boy, buddy old buddy old buddy old boy, buddy old boy. Hey, yeah. Hey, you're a really good mate, Jordan. I love ya.
Thanks.
You love me too? Yep. Come on, give me a little kiss. Oh, come on, a little kiss for good luck. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I love you so much, mate.
Alright, thanks.
Hi, Jardin.
Hi, Trent.
Hey, so Jardin fever. I don't get why there can't be Trent puppet fever. Like everyone should go crazy for the puppet.
Nah. Screw the puppet. It's all about.
Oh, come on. We should get a puppet that looks like you.
How?
I don't know. Yeah, get a puppet that we'll call it Jardin the puppet. Oh, hey Harry. Why the long face? Why the long face, Harry? Come on, tell your old buddy Trent. Why are you upset?
Because I'm still really pissed off.
Oh, come on, hey. Hey, look, I'm here for you. You're such a good mate. Hey, chin up, Buster. Chin up.
I was trying to have lunch, but I can't. I got no money on my card.
Hey, look. You don't have money on your card. That's no reason to feel depressed. Just have a good day, Harry. I'm here for you.
I was trying to borrow some cash.
Hey, I'm not giving you any cash, okay? So, go ask Johnson. He'll give you some. Hey, Jono. Harry's a bit low on cash. Can you shout him for some lunch?
Can you stop?
Oh, I just love you so much.
Come here, baby.
Oh, you want the real me, not the puppet?
Yeah, I want to grill you.
Hey, I can do some stuff with this puppet, I can do some stuff, like, you know that?
Hello, there's girls here. There's 2 girls. Are you doing that shit now?
Oh, Harry, come on. I asked Johnson if he could shout you some lunch.
Did he say that, did he?
He said no. He said you go bring some money tomorrow.
I'm still hungry though because I need some cash.
Well, hey, Why don't you go and steal something? No, don't steal anything, mate.
Alright.
John.
Oh, come here, Jordan. Give me a hug, will you?
Yeah, okay.
And the puppet as well.
Help me.
Hey, why don't you cry for us?
No, I can't. There's nothing for me to cry about.
The puppet might die. It's gonna die. It's got cancer. You love it, don't you? You love the puppet, Jordan. You want to hug it and hold him all day long.
Clear.
Live, damn you.
No. Time of death.
What's the time?
Time of death. 12:20 in the afternoon. 12:20. Hey, John, what caused it?
Cancer. It died of cancer.
Alcohol poison. Prince raped it.
Oh, raped it?
Yeah.
No, me and Jordan gang raped the puppet. You see this little, that? We put our dicks in there. We splooged all in there. It's like, yeah.
I think the Trent&Friends show is really immature today. I'm going to the toilet now.
Alright, go. What the hell are you doing?
I don't know, I was copying you.
Alright, no, go to the toilet. Go. Go to the toilet. Go.
No, pause it.
Scare me.
All of this is supposed to scare me.
Well, just go. Hurry up.
We're going undercover.
Hey, no, don't go. Don't.
Put your hands up, this is the police.
Surprise, motherfucker! Okay. Okay, so he's going to the toilet, and as soon as he comes out, I'm gonna say, surprise, motherfucker. As soon as he comes out. Hey, Jordan, I'm gonna go now. I'll meet you outside. Surprise, motherfucker! Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright, come on. Alright, come on, let's go. Alright. Okay, we're coming out now.
Yep.
Surprise!
Oh, hey.
Look at your shirt. Iron Maiden.
Yeah, mate.
Hey, we're big heavy metal fans, aren't we?
Yep.
Hey, so we're going to, what are we going to on Friday?
Rock the Rails, yeah.
At Sunshine, like I did last year, did the video.
Yeah, we're gonna do Rock the Rails Part 2.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. So we're filming it for a Trent&Friends special. It's gonna be really good, isn't it, mate?
Yeah. Nah. Hey. Hello, this is Jordan speaking.
Her hair's not a phone, it's something to wipe the sweat off my face with.
Really?
I think the machine's freaking broken again.
Shut up.
Are you serious?
Hey, do you guys have a 20-cent? Do you have a 20-cent coin?
But okay. I should do this instead.
It won't work. Carb milk.
the other way.
Trent&Friends show features this bloody drink machine all the time.
Yeah,
Like,
this is
too
not
much.
working.
Yeah, it never works. Like, they fix it and then the next day it's broken again.
Does anybody have any coins? I don't know. Does it work for you?
It doesn't work.
Just leave it in there.
Well, don't leave a card in there.
Up, down, up, down.
That's wrong. Surprise! Did I scare you, mate?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Turn around. Turn around. Don't look. Surprise!
oh, fuck.
Hey, look here.
Hi. Do you want to do buddy old boy?
No,
Why?
because I don't want to.
Come on.
No,
Buddy old boy?
no,
Oh, you're not a boy.
no, I'm not a boy.
Buddy, a girl.
I was thinking of that.
Buddy old girl? You want to do that?
No, but you're not a girl.
You can say buddy old boy and I'll say buddy old girl. And we'll do this.
Everyone, this is a paper vagina.
No, it's a paper plane. Fly
It
around.
looks more like a fucking vagina than a plane.
Try.
Alright.
Make a paper plane properly.
How?
And this is this is how not a tutorial on how not to make a paper plane.
Hey, put that song back on.
Okay, you gonna do it? Try to see if you can get it to fly. Alright, what's that, mate?
Paper fucking plane.
Alright, now try. Whoa, hey, that was actually pretty good, hey? Hey, throw it that direction.
Aw. Trent's gonna have a go now.
Okay. Try to.
Okay.
Okay. Put it around together.
Oi! There's a library up there.
What?
There's a library.
As part of the Trent&Friends show, we're showing our comedian skills.
Yeah, we're showing
we want to do a
short film.
short film, yeah, and pitch it around the music festivals.
Yeah. Hey,
And it's gonna be good
I know.
with this guy here.
Hey, the original Buddy Old Boys. Buddy Old Boy, Buddy Old Boy, Buddy Old Buddy Old Buddy Old Boy.
Wang Chung. Nah, we haven't done this for a while. Everybody's gay.
I'm getting a massage to recover my muscles for weight training tomorrow morning and then footy training.
Yeah, because you're bloody all like tensed up, aren't you?
Hey,
Yeah.
Johnson needs a massage.
Go over and do it. Go over and do it. Give him one.
I'm giving Johnson a sensual massage.
Well, anyway, that's all the time that we've got for now. But you can subscribe to this channel and like my page on Facebook. Stop that! My name is Trent Terry. What's your name? Say it. Say it. Come on. What's your name? What is it? My name is Jordan Maverick. Everybody's gay.
And my name is Trent Terry.
You are Trent Terry.
He's a freaking bastard.
I'm Trent Terry.
So I
I am.
am.
Then prove it.
Okay.
Hi
Then prove
everybody.
it.
Bye.
Then prove it.
I don't want to prove myself to you. All right.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. We
I'm trying to make a video here.
We don't want to let you guys go. We would miss you too much.
I'm going for you guys.
Stop bloody lip syncing me. Just use your real voice.
See you later.
Alright. My name is Jordan Maverick.
No, do the lip syncing part. Hi, I'm Jordan, and I've got a secret to tell everybody in the world. I'm a homosexual.
Oh my god! Bye.
You're gay. Oh, look at them.
Okay, bye. I think that's the longest outro we've done.
I know.
Alright, bye everybody.
A 2-minute long outro.
Alright, bye everybody.
Yeah.
I mean, seriously, bye.
Well, bye. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Buddy, yeah, boy,
buddy,
buddy,
boy,
boy.
buddy. Hey, stop with the rude thing to you. Well, you got beautiful hair, Jono.
Hey, shut up, you. Only she's not touching my hair. You can't.
Well, anyway, seriously, you can subscribe to this channel and like my page on Facebook. My name is Trent Terry. See you next time.
Bye.
Stop it, man.